everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Vanila and I am attempting to clean my door, my entering door, my door from entrance. This is a special wipe and let's begin. It's been a while since I was cleaning the door. It's dirty. In the area where I live, I get a lot of mold, so I'm not even surprised why I have to clean quite frequently things around my home because of the weather that we get here in the UK. This is my favorite DJ. Mom, maybe you can continue this off the screen because I've cleaned quite a while and this is what I get.
Okay.
So the next thing, my mom will continue it because it's quite a bit of job to clean the rest of it to make it white again. Okay, thank you very much for watching and subscribing. I'm Vanila and this was my cleaning video for you. Hopefully you loved it as much as I love the cleaning this door. So thank you very much for watching and subscribe. Bye.